Hello everyone, welcome into today's card reading. In this reading, we will check yes or no answer. So, first of all, you have to pray to angels, guides, and ask for their help, and then think about your question, and then take a deep breath, and then choose any Buddha. So, here we have three Buddha. So, the first we have this one. Second, we have this one. For pile number 3, we have this one. So just ask your question and pick a pile. So okay, pile number 1, let's see what's your cards are saying for your question. Okay, so here we have yes. So the answer of your question is yes, but here universe is also telling you be confident. Like I think there is a lower self-confidence, or you're doubting yourself, you're doubting your abilities, or too much listening to the people, and they are creating so many doubts in your mind. So here divine is telling me be confident, just believe in your life and protect your aura, protect your dream. Don't tell about your dream to people, and you need a protection. Just protect your aura, and answer is yes. And the key of success is self-confidence. Thank you. Hello, pile number 2. So for pile number 2, we have, let's see what's the answer of your question. No. Okay, so right now the answer is no, because this situation is demanding sacrifice, compromise in your life, and divine no, in future you will be not happy with this decision. So please think again if you are making an important decision, because I am seeing this is not for your highest good, and it will make you to compromise with yourself and to sacrifice something important in your life. It could be your peace, money, happiness, joy, or anything. So if you are making an important decision, just think again. So I'm sorry, unfortunately the answer for now is no. If it's related to love, then I am guided to tell you, ask for a sign from the universe whether this person is good for you or not. If you receive a sign for yes, then go forward with this. But if you receive sign as or if you will not receive any sign from the universe, then of course the answer is also no. Then think again and choose wisely. Thank you. Hello, pile number 3. So let's see what is the answer of your question from the universe, from the angels, and the divine. Finger crossed. Okay, unlikely. Okay, so I am seeing the question you have asked for, the situation is not for your highest good. Like you wanted this to happen in your life, you wanted to have this thing, you wanted to uh, have this in your future or have with yourself. But here universe is telling me there is something better is coming in your life, and this is not for your highest good. But if you want to go with this, then go, you will get the success. But if you wait a little bit more, then you will receive something better who will give you, or which will give you immense joy, happiness, and success in your life. And if you want to go with the current decision, the question you have asked for, then there are less chances of success. But if you wait a little bit more, then I am seeing higher chances of success are coming. And here also I am seeing, like right now the energies are not positive, or this is not a right time to receive this gift, receive this wish from the universe, because I am seeing people around you are not good and their energies are affecting you a lot. So do some self protection, chant some mantras, do some meditation, and protect your aura, because I am seeing no is here because of your energies. You are not ready to receive this thing right now. So after some time, I am seeing there is a lot of success and happiness and surprises are coming in your life. Thank you. Bye bye.